In one of our previous lessons, we learned about query requests, and we have some sheets with partners who help us to sell our products. For example, in January we have some partners, in February, in March, and we grab all information from 3 months in one sheet. But in today's video we're gonna talk about function filter and work with this data in another way. So in that example, what we learned previously, we try to understand how many sales and what amounts of money get to us, earn to us that partner. And we don't want to search every month in manually way and calculate it, but in that situation we use some if with find all information about this partner. In the sheet sum we receive some summarizing information about all month, about all sales, and about all money that earn that partner. If you didn't see this video, you can check in the right corner of the video or in the description below this video. You can find the link to that video, but in that video I wanna show you another way how we can manage the information from our that sheet that have whole information about all month and about all our partners. Sometimes we have partners that work each month. Some of our partners don't work each month. It will be very interesting how we can select all information about one of partners. So let's switch to that sheet and input our new function, filter. First of all, we have to choose the range. Go to that sheet and select all that range. Then comma. Second option is condition. We have to create some condition in what situation we receive information from this range. For example, I have the name in that cell. If that cell equal to one of the name in that column, then we show information about this partner. I close brackets, enter. And now I don't receive because I have to input some name in that cell. Let's try to understand what is error. Maybe mistake in select range. I choose all cells in that 3 columns. Yeah, it's correct. We find Bob with 4 sales and some. So I move formula in another cells. So we receive that information. We can input validate and date for more convenient way to use name of our partners. Okay, save. For example, Jess. So Jess sold our products 3 times. It means she sold in 3 months. If we choose, for example, Silly, she worked only 1 month for us. Larry 3 times. But for example, if we change Larry to 1 and come back, we see that Larry works only 2 months for us. And you see what in that situation we summarize information about all sales in one cell. And in that situation we can see all sales separated by months, for example. And in different situation you can choose what you more appropriate. And the last thing what we can improve in our table, it's accept repeat name. For example, we choose Larry and we don't want to see Larry twice in that cells, only once. In that situation we have to change our formula. I copy this formula, input in that cell, but I change range B to C, and we compare with our name. So it works. For that cell I edit only for first column our range, enter, and we receive the same situation but separated into different ranges. And now we can use other function that name unique. I close two brackets that formula and type unique, enter. And now we receive only one name, Jess. We see all she's sales every month, but she name we see only once. Maybe in some situation it helps you to solve some issues and help you to improve your table and make your data easier to understand for you and other people. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to the channel, write comments if you want to add something interesting or just describe your opinion on someone, and go to the next video what you see on your screen now.